Hello boys and girls, it's time for another update. It's January 18th now, and I've improved the workbook for the ACMOTORCAD interface. What I've done is I've made things that are pertinent to the entire motor in blue. I've added a units of measure, English or metric. Also, what I've done is, again, green and pink for the different parts of the motor. I've also made a big improvement by moving the bar areas to be a calculation so that you don't have to calculate that anymore. For the rotor bars. For the stator bars, the VICA30 Fortran program calculates them internally from dimensions to get fill factor. However, it's a major performance effect on the induction motor if the rotor bar area changes. And now these are dependent on rotor slot dimensions. Over here in the diagrams, I have added. First, let's give you the big view. Let's go to 25%. Okay, so there are the different slot types. Here's a little blurb I put on about circular segment areas, because some of these slots have circles and they're not complete circles. They've got a little circular segment missing. So all the calculations of the rotor bar areas are on the diagram now. And in this area here, now you have, I'm using slot type 14, so its bottom bar area shows up. And it's now I have calculation area for each slot. This one is one of the real simple ones, but you have areas 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you have the top areas are these two, and the bottom areas total is the total minus the top gives you the bottom, and all of these cells are referenced depending on what type of slot you're using. We're using a rotor type slot 1 right now, 14 right now. So its top area is 0550 based on the dimensions that are over here in this column. So now, as you change the diameters or whatever using the rescaling factors, all of these factors get changed, and the area automatically is changed over in the diagram and brought into this cell right here for the bottom bar area and the top bar area. This is a single cage design, so there's nothing for the bottom area. Oh, I also wanted to show you about changing slot counts now. Here's our present design. I'm going to copy that just so we can compare. And here's my new sheet. Here's the old sketch. I'm going to paint my columns here, and I'm going to paint my rows. So if I want to add 7 more slots to the rotor, oh, I had changed it before. I'm going to add 7. Whoop, no, not 77. Add 7 slots. Same rescale button, even though, yeah, it is sort of a rescale. 7 changes made. So now rotor stuff and rotor slot spacing has changed in here. Don't remember exactly. Added 7 to 28. Guess I must have had 29. Replot. Oh, I've got exactly the same number. That's terrible. Terrible design. They're too small as well. Let's make it, let's go down, let's go up a couple more, let's go up 4 more slots. Oh, that was, what do we have, 36, we should add 40 now. Now we got 40. And the spacing between the slot changes, the slot widths change too, because they should be proportional to the number of slots. The depth doesn't, because that's not the way I made it work. Now we've got more slots and they're not totally lined up, and that's a lot better. So that's how you change slot count.